Here's how to search the EBSCO database to find scholarly sources relevant to your assignment. To begin, log into VCamp, then click the library icon, then choose Articles. Now you'll see several different options. For this video, we're going to look at EBSCO by clicking the number 2 box. Now let's say your assignment is on leadership. You would just begin by typing that keyword up at the top and clicking search. Now you can see we got a lot of results, 79,000. That's a ton. So maybe we can narrow it down by limiting it to very recent articles. If you scroll down and look over here on the left, you'll see this limit to option, and we can change the date right here to the most recent 10 years. Okay, so that narrowed it way down. Now let's say that you want to narrow it to leadership that's shown in business practices. You can use this other search box and enter business. You can also use these select a field options to narrow it down to the subjects. So this way you get articles that are all about the subject of leadership and business, not an article that just mentions it in passing. And then click search. So that really helps. Let's say this first title sounds good to you. Innovation, Dynamic Capabilities, and Leadership. You can click on the title and you'll see more information about the article. This abstract right here gives you a preview of what the article is about, and that's really helpful to see if this is going to be something you can use in your paper. If it sounds promising, you can come over here on the left and click PDF Full Text. That'll just show you the complete article. So there it is, right in the middle. At this point, you can email it to yourself, you can print it, whatever works best for you. Make sure that you grab that APA reference while you're here. You can click on that yellow piece of paper over there on the right, and you'll see a lot of options. So scroll down until you see APA, and make sure that you double check the capitalization by using Bethel's APA website. Sometimes the database that generates these references messes with the capitalization, so make sure you double check that yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the library.